Soup it up, boosting the power of your vocabulary. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and flavorful phrase that might have you thinking of dinner, but it's all about power and enhancement. Yes, we're talking about the phrase, soup up. Let's start with a bit of history. Soup up originally comes from the world of cars and racing. To soup up a car means to modify it for enhanced performance. Picture this: you've got a regular car, and you want it to go faster or be more efficient. You might change the engine, add some cool gadgets, or modify its parts. This is exactly what souping up is. Over time, the phrase has been adopted into everyday language and can now refer to enhancing or improving anything, not just cars. Now that we know where it comes from, let's see how we can use it. 1. I decided to soup up my old computer by adding more RAM. 2. She souped up her bicycle with a new seat and colorful lights. 3. To compete at a higher level, the team needs to soup up their training routine. It's all about making something better or more powerful. You might be thinking, does this have anything to do with the actual soup you eat? Nope. While soup is delicious and can be powered up with more ingredients, the phrase, soup up, has nothing to do with the tasty broth. So, remember, it's all about enhancement and improvement, and not about cooking. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone say they want to soup up something, you'll know they're not talking about adding more veggies or spices to their meal. Instead, they're looking to boost or improve something. We hope this little explainer has spiced up your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.